A long time ago, in ancient Greece, there was a king named Midas. He lived in an enormous place with his wife and daughter. Place was full of statues, gold jewelry, and gold coins, but Midas was very greedy and he always wanted more. One day the king was walking on garden. She was picking yellow flowers for her room. Those fellows yellow flowers are very beautiful, king said. Black into the place with her flower, and the king walked alone. Then Midas made a wish. He wished he touched a tree and become gold. My wish has come true, he shouted. He touched pictures and vases, plates, and they all became gold, and when he put some water to her lips, it also turned to gold. As last the king's daughter saw her father in the garden, she ran to become his because looking so sad. She touched and he also gold too. King Midas made another wish. He wished that he could have the daughter back. Gold was gone and his daughter was garden. King Midas had learned his